In today's video, we're going to be going over a Sony XBR-65X850E, and we're just going to be showing you how to remove the back cover. So we're going to start with just our screws on the outside here. These are all machine screws. And then we have 4 screws here. I don't know if these are stock or if they just came in with the customer's TV, but we'll get those out. And then I have 2 more over here, plus the one for the power cable. So we'll lift this up and it slides out. We'll disconnect the power cable over here. And then we have a couple plastic screws on this side here. We'll go ahead and disconnect those. And that should be it. Now, I can lift the bottom if I wiggle it out, but the back cover is still stuck. So in order to unlock it, it's locked at the top. You have to push it up a little bit. And then it'll free. So if we look at over here, we have these plastic tabs that lock in on these screws. So you have to essentially slide it up to clear them out. And same to put it back together, you have to line it up and then slide it down. So it's lined up and then I just pull it down a little bit and now it's locked in again. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.